ikot doon sa
Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell para updated ka lagi sa mga videos ko. Hello! Magandang buhay sa inyo lahat. Good morning, good morning, good morning to all. Hintayo man ikanti reaction that will be duty. Pakita ti tradisyon ken kultura dagiti katutubo or what we call itneg. Ito a video kit hintay ikanti reaction video ni Tita PB Vlog nga imatender iti event dagiti agduduma nga tribo ti katutubo ditoy Abra. Ni Tita PB Vlog ket nagapupay la ijay US nga umay imatender iti event dito ket napasamak ijay San Juan Abra. Dito ket event it's about Patanaw and Layog. Patanaw and Layog. Nagpintas si abuyain daytoy a kultura nga agingga itaagdama ket they are still practicing this tradition ditoy Abra. Hintay mo Patanaw. This is one of the Tingyan's culture. It is done when the couple goes to the house of the groom. This is a welcome rite to the bride in their house. This is done because not all relatives of the groom were able to attend their wedding. The Layog. Layog is a traditional practice of the Itnegs or the Tingyans, celebrating the life of a deceased loved one. It's not just about remembering a family member, but also keeping a tradition that has been passed through generations. The Palanos is then headed by the partidor and a pair of panglakayan, who are also in charge of the panungawan, to check if the liver is good. If not, another pig is butchered until a good liver is seen. The liver is placed in a kalapaw as an offer to the Ananitus. The representatives of the different tribes start to arrive. The different committees that perform their assignments. The kadek o gayam and drinking of the basi start. Food is also served. One day of the event, the apayag is placed at the center with the offerings. Beside it is the pika, guarded by a man who stays throughout the layog. The tugtugaw are placed in a designated part of the yard in front of the agto, with the pictures and pair of clothing of the malayog are placed. The kadek, ugayam, and drinking of the basi start accompanied by the gansa. Women are dressed with their siningitan and sinindusan and their tingyan jewelry. The mantenador directs the layog. All the nagulila dance that the deck joined by the bisita Taunawa ends the activity. The rinedek is distributed to all those who dance the kadek and sang the ugaya.
Papantay din rin, mana po. Umuna rin mana po. Hindi ka ba? Hindi ka ba?
May nakabahagi.
Hindi ko namin mabasa yung mga pangalan.
Oh, maingay po dito eh. Enjoy watching na lang muna.
Ni Tita PB Love ket may isang charity vlogger. Ado tinatulungan nan nga agkasapulan iti tulong. You can watch her videos and subscribe her sa TV Love account niya sa YouTube channel TV Love. Agyaman ak unay kakabsat.
Tapos ganito ulit yung pinapatugtog